Oh, those clouds look like white elephants.
Never seen one.
No, you wouldn't have.
I might have.
No, you wouldn't have.
I might have. Just because you say I wouldn't have doesn't prove anything.
What does this say?
That's a Oaxaca sour.
Could we try it?
Disculpe. Queremos 2 Oaxaca sour, por favor. Con hielo. You want 'em with ice? Jake, you want 'em with ice?
I don't know. Is it good with ice?
It's alright.
Well, do you want it with ice?
Sí, con hielo, por favor. Gracias.
Oh, it tastes like smoke.
That's the way with everything with you.
Yes, that's the way with everything. Especially all the things that you've waited so long for.
Come on, cut it out.
You started it. I was being amusing. I was having a fine time.
Well, let's try and have a fun time.
I was trying. I said the clouds looked like white elephants. Wasn't that clever?
Yes, clever.
And I wanted to try this new drink. It's all we do, isn't it? Just look at things and drink new drinks.
I guess so.